Hey guys, Filmy Bandit welcomes you, your one-stop destination for glamorous celebrity moments and unforgettable event fashion. In today's video, we're talking about Rashmika Mandanna's gorgeous and hot look in a black lehenga at the Thamma music launch event. The moment she stepped onto the stage, the entire atmosphere lit up. Dressed in a striking black lehenga, Rashmika radiated confidence, elegance, and undeniable star power. The deep black shade added a bold and dramatic touch, while the intricate detailing of the lehenga brought in a rich, traditional charm. The fitted blouse enhanced the modern appeal of the outfit, perfectly balancing glamour with ethnic grace. Rashmika carried the ensemble with effortless poise, proving once again why she's one of the most admired fashion icons of her generation. Her styling was on point, soft waves cascading over her shoulders, glowing makeup, and statement earrings that completed the regal vibe. Every step she took reflected confidence and sophistication. The lehenga flowed beautifully as she moved, creating a cinematic effect under the event lights. Her radiant smile added warmth to the bold black outfit, making the entire look both fierce and feminine. This appearance beautifully blended traditional Indian attire with contemporary glam styling. At the Thamma music launch event, Rashmika didn't just attend, she truly owned the spotlight in that stunning black lehenga. The intricate embroidery on the lehenga shimmered subtly under the lights, adding depth and richness to the bold black tone. Her confident posture and graceful walk made the entire look feel regal and commanding. Even the smallest details, like the perfectly styled dupatta and statement earrings, added a luxurious finish. The fitted silhouette highlighted her elegance while maintaining a strong, modern edge. As she posed for the cameras, every angle captured pure star energy. The black lehenga created a powerful contrast against the vibrant event backdrop, making her stand out effortlessly. Her expressions shifted seamlessly between playful and poised, adding life to the entire appearance. The combination of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary styling turned this outfit into a true showstopper. Fans instantly flooded social media praising her bold yet graceful fashion choice. With this unforgettable look at the Thamma music launch event, Rashmika Mandanna once again proved that when tradition meets confidence, the result is pure glamour magic. The way the lehenga flared gently as she moved added a dramatic, almost royal touch to her presence. Her confidence was visible in every step, turning the stage into her personal runway. The bold black color symbolized strength and sophistication, perfectly matching her vibrant personality. Even under the bright event lights, the intricate detailing of the outfit stood out beautifully. Her glowing makeup enhanced her features while keeping the overall look balanced and elegant. The harmony between bold styling and traditional elegance made this appearance truly iconic. Every candid moment from the event looked straight out of a high-fashion editorial shoot. She effortlessly blended grace with boldness, creating a look that was both hot and classy. The audience's excitement reflected how impactful her appearance truly was. With this stunning black lehenga moment at the Thamma music launch, Rashmika Mandanna once again proved that she knows exactly how to turn heads and own the spotlight with confidence and charm. There was a magnetic aura around her that made it impossible to look away. The confident way she carried the black lehenga turned it from a beautiful outfit into a bold fashion statement. Every spotlight seemed to follow her, highlighting the rich texture and flawless tailoring of the ensemble. Her graceful twirls added a dreamy, almost cinematic charm to the entire moment. The balance between traditional elegance and modern boldness made this look truly unforgettable. Even her subtle smiles and playful expressions added warmth to the dramatic black tone. The stage felt brighter and more glamorous the moment she appeared. Fashion lovers admired how effortlessly she transformed a classic lehenga into a high-glam event look. Her presence alone elevated the energy of the Thamma music launch event. With this iconic appearance, Rashmika Mandanna once again proved that confidence, charm, and the right outfit can create pure red carpet magic. Her aura reflected pure confidence, making the entire venue feel charged with excitement. The bold black lehenga wasn't just an outfit, it became a statement of power and elegance. Every flash of the camera captured a new dimension of her radiant charm. The intricate work on the fabric added a luxurious depth that looked stunning from every angle. Her graceful gestures and composed expressions gave the look a refined sophistication. Even in a room full of celebrities, she managed to command complete attention. The blend of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary styling made this appearance stand out effortlessly. Her natural charisma elevated the entire ensemble, proving that confidence is the ultimate accessory. With this breathtaking moment at the Thamma music launch, Rashmika Mandanna once again set a new benchmark for bold ethnic glamour.